Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 58. Find the median of the following set of numbers: 4, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3, 9. A, we have 5, B, we have 4, C, 7, and D, 9. So we have to find the median of this set of numbers. And like you know, these numbers are ungrouped. They are ungrouped. Ungrouped data. So to find the median of this set of number, and median means what? The middle one, that is the number which is in the middle. Now if you go by these numbers now and you pick the middle, let's count these numbers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so therefore if you have to go by the arrangement of these numbers like this and pick the median, you say the median is 6, but it is totally wrong. For you to find the median of an ungrouped data, you have to arrange these numbers from the lowest to the highest. That is, you must arrange them in an orderly manner. For you to find the median, you must arrange these numbers in an orderly manner. You can see the numbers say they are scattered because 4 is greater than 3, 3 is less than 4, so you have to arrange these numbers in an orderly manner. Now let's go. We have to arrange these numbers in an orderly manner for us to find the median. So therefore the lowest is 3. We start with 3, followed by 3 again, another 3, then followed by 4, followed by another 4, and then we have 6, we have 7, and finally we have 9. Now you can see that the numbers are arranged orderly. Now like this we can find the median by locating the middle. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 1, 2, 3. So therefore the middle one, which is the median, is 4. 4 is the median. So therefore the median of the following set of numbers is 4, and from the option B here corresponds to our answer, 4. So 4 is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos.